Okay guys, I got this idea from a friend of mine named Abby. She made the cutest ornaments out of her pumpkin, so I'm going to try it. Okay, so they're not completely dry yet, but I just wanted to show you guys real quick what I'm thinking of doing. I want to just add a little bell to the top. And then I'm going to take my hot glue, and Nikki had a really good idea to stuff the bell with tin foil and then sit it over top of the stick and maybe put a little bit of hot glue on it. I think that'll work. And then I'm not loving the stuff that's on top of the bells, so I thought I might, you know, do something a little different with a bow. But, you know, we're reusing our pumpkins. What do you guys think? You guys gotta tell me what you think. So you saw me paint the pumpkins red. It's like 30 some degrees outside, so I brought them in to show you how I'm gonna kind of decorate them and switch them up a little. I have this, and I didn't like the flower that was on it, so I pulled it off. And then Nikki had the great idea of stuffing this so it could sit, you know, sort of flat over and be snug over the pumpkin stem. So I just thought I would add tin foil, like so, and kind of push on there, and that's kind of holding it. I wanted to show you this one a little closer up. So we're just taking the bell, putting the bell on top. I'm going to wad up some tin foil, kind of stick it up in there. I might put a little hot glue in first, just to hold that tin foil in there. Don't do it real tight yet until you get it over top of the, it's almost like a mold. Okay, now I want to take it back off, stick some more hot glue down in there, and be pretty generous with it, and then we're going to do some right on the top of the stem. Okay, then we're just going to come down over it and then eyeball it and make sure your top is straight. And I think the smaller ones are looking more like an ornament than the bigger ones are. I think that's kind of cute, right? Okay, so I had this one piece. This was kind of expensive ribbon that I made my bows on my nutcracker tree with. And what I think I'm going to do is just kind of stick it on here. I just kind of bent it, you know, on top of itself. And then maybe push a little behind it. And we can glue it here, and then we can wrap another bow around it. So I'm going to put a dab here, bend that over, and then a decent amount. Okay. So I have just a little piece of this pink ribbon left over. I'm going to do the same thing, I believe. You know, push it over on top of itself. Glue it a little. Okay, I want to make a little purple bow out of this little ribbon I have. Just take it around, twist it so your pretty side's coming through. Just a little loopy bow, nothing major. We're gonna hot glue that there, but I first think I want to add some pips, you know, kind of here.